Hi there. I'll be demonstrating the do now for the 3D model circles exercise. To begin, you'll want to go to your sty.edu Onshape dashboard, which you can find at sty.onshape.com. Next, you'll want to create a new document. You can name this document according to your instructor's guidelines. You'll want to make sure that your workspace units are set to inches. Select your front plane and create a new sketch. Then you'll want to create an L shape. Next, add a circle from the midpoint. You'll see the midpoint is highlighted with a yellow box. Next, you can begin dimensioning your L shape. Next, you can confirm your sketch. Then you can select the body of your sketch and extrude. Your depth should be 1 inch. As always, you can use 2 fingers on a trackpad or your right mouse button to shift your perspective. Then you'll want to select your top plane. You can create a new sketch now. You'll want to create a new circle from the right side midpoint. Then you can extrude this piece. Make sure you choose Add, and as your merge scope, you choose Part 1. You might need to flip the direction. You can return and create a new sketch. You can create a new circle. It should be concentric with your previous circle. Make sure to add in your tangent constraints. Next, you can trim out the unnecessary portions. Finally, you can confirm your sketch, select the portion, and remove. You're all set. You want to make sure that you have only one part listed under parts. You can share this document with your instructor using the Share menu. You can either add their Onshape account directly, or you can create a link for them to view. That concludes this demonstration. If you have any additional questions, please consult the Onshape official documentation or reach out to your instructor. If you found this video useful, please let your instructor know.